Welcome back to loginhelps. Today we're looking at the top 5 text-to-image generators in 2026. Whether you're a content creator needing thumbnails or just looking to turn your imagination into art, these tools have changed the game this year. Stick around because our number 1 pick is now free and more powerful than ever. Let's dive in. Coming in at number 5 is Ideogram. If you've ever tried to put text inside an AI image and ended up with gibberish, this is your solution. Ideogram is widely considered the best tool in 2026 for rendering accurate text. It's perfect for creating logos, posters, and flyers where every letter counts. They offer a limited free plan, but for high-priority rendering, the Pro plan is where it's at. At number 4 is Adobe Firefly. This is the go-to for professional designers. Why? Because it's built right into Photoshop and Illustrator. You don't just generate an image, you can use Generative fill to expand backgrounds or swap out objects in seconds. Plus, it's trained on Adobe stock, making it one of the safest options for commercial use. You get a set of free credits every month with a Creative Cloud login. Taking the 3rd spot is Midjourney. In 2026, Midjourney remains the king of sheer artistic quality. While it transitioned from Discord to a dedicated web app, it still produces images that look like award-winning photography. It does require a subscription, but if you want the absolute best cinematic realism and lighting, Midjourney is still the gold standard. Our runner-up is ChatGPT. Powered by the latest DALL-E models, this is the easiest tool to use. You don't need to be a prompt engineer. You just talk to it like a person. You can say, "Hey, make that dog wear a hat," and it understands the context perfectly. It's excellent for YouTube thumbnails and quick social media posts, and it's included for all ChatGPT Plus users. And finally, our number 1 spot for 2026 goes to Google Gemini using the Nano Banana 2 model. It takes the crown because it strikes the perfect balance between prompt accuracy, realism, and speed. The best part? It's incredibly generous for free users, allowing up to 20 high-quality generations per day. It's fast, follows complex instructions perfectly, and has a built-in editor to tweak your results. For most of you watching, this is the only AI image generator you'll ever need. Which of these AI tools are you using to create your art? Let us know in the comments below. If this breakdown helped you find your next favorite tool, give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe to loginhelps for more tech guides and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.